Student, now we are going to solve that. Exercise 6.3 class 9 general maths question number 6. This is a diagram as you can see in the video. Figure number 6.44. This is the figure. The side QR of triangle PQR extended or produced to S. If the bisector of angle PQR, this is the bisector of angle PQR, means QT is the bisector of angle PQR, and PRS, and RT is the bisector of angle PRS, meet at the point T. These two bisector meet at the point T. Then we have to prove that QTR, which means this angle, equal to half of angle QPR. QPR. This angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. So let's have a look, student, how to solve this one. Student, this is the question number 6 from exercise 6.3 class 9 general maths. The diagram as you can see in the video, the given and to proportion which I have written from the main book. Clearly it is mentioned that the side QR extended to S of the triangle PQR, and the bisector QT and the bisector RT, which meet at the point T. We have to prove that angle QTR, which means this angle, equal to half angle QPR. Half angle QPR. This angle is half of angle QPR. So let's have a look at how to solve this one. Student, look here now. PRS, this angle, equal to, I will write down here, PQR, this angle, plus QPR, this angle. These two angles are the, this is the exterior angle, and these two are the opposite to interior angle. So student, we'll write down here now. After that, in triangle PQR, the side QR is produced to S. Therefore, student, angle PRS, this equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is according to the 6.8 theorem. We write down here exterior angle. This is the exterior angle, student. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite to interior angle. This is the reason for this part. Now look, student, one more thing is that QT and RT is the bisector. As you can see in the video, QT and RT is the bisector. Now look, student, look here now. Here, if we multiplying all the angles with half, then what will happen? PRS, this equal to half PQR plus half QPR, multiplying all the angles with half. Now look, student, in the diagram, half PRS, look, PRS, this angle, this is as a whole angle PRS. Now half of this one PRS, so what will happen here? Half of PRS means TRS, this portion, PRT plus TRS as a whole PRS. Now half portion means, look here, this is the half portion, this is the half portion. So half of this angle means TRS. So students, will write down here half of PRS equal to TRS, angle TRS. This equal to, there is half of angle QPR plus, now look student, half of PQR, this angle, half of this one, which means this portion is half and that portion is half. So half of angle PQR, this equal to TQR. So we'll write down here TQR, this one, half of half of PQR equal to TQR, and half of, and this will remain here. Now look student, after that here, after that, so we'll take now the next triangle as QRT. Look here now student, triangle QRT will take you now. So how to solve this portion? Look now student, now look, this is the rough sketch which I have drawn here in a small piece of paper so that I can solve this question very easily. Now look student, one more time here, TRS, angle TRS, which means TRS, this angle, equal to half QPR, half QPR, this equal to TQR, TQR, so angle TQR. Okay, now student, I am going to take now the whole triangle as QRT. I will take the whole triangle as QRT here. So student, taking that QRT here now, what will happen here? Look, taking the angle QRT. Now look here. Okay, before that I am taking this one as our equation number 1. Now look, I am taking here that QRT. Look in the diagram once. In triangle QRT, student, what is the exterior? In triangle QRT, what is the exterior here? Exterior TRS, this is the exterior. So if it is the exterior, this portion is the exterior, then sum of the opposite to interior means this angle and this angle. Repeat again, TRS, this is the exterior, then sum of the opposite to angle means this angle and this angle. Now look, after that student, we'll write down here angle TRS, this equal to angle TQR, plus angle QTR. This is also 6.8 theorem. We'll write down the same reason here, that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite, OPPO dot means opposite to interior angle, opposite to interior angle. This is the reason. Now look student, one more time here, that if I take this one as our equation number 2, then what will happen student? Look now once again into the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, equation 2. In the both case student, TRS common, so we can write down here that from 1 and 2, so this equal to this. So student, look now here, that TQR, angle TQR plus half angle QPR, this equal to again angle TQR plus angle QTR from 1 and 2. These two equal, so these two also equal. Now look student, here this and this cancel because same. Now look, next line will be here, that half angle QPR, this equal to angle QTR. Now look student, after that student, so this is our proof actually. Look in the question once, what is our proof? QTR equal to half angle QPR. So here is QTR equal to half angle QPR. This is our answer, so we'll write down here, hence proved.